Backyard Builder here. Today we're repairing a bench leg. This one got a little chipped here from a little rough handling. So it just got a little tiny chip right here on the corner, and so it'll be a quick and easy repair. And it's something that we can do. We keep a bag of Planetop excess on hand. It's a product made by Mappy. Now that's a surface bonding repair mortar, and it's a GFRC mix and polymer enhanced and everything. This stuff is like super strong, like iron strong, and it's got a really short pot life. Now this stuff sets up in about 15 minutes, and it's pretty much ready for use the next day. Although, like regular concrete, it does take its regular 14 to 28 days curing time. Now this piece here is not going to be stained or anything, so we don't have to worry about color matching. All we have to do is just fix our corner. Now to mix this stuff up, you don't use very much at a time. Like I say, this stuff does set up very quickly. So all we're going to use for mixing it up is just a simple disposable cup, a wooden stir stick that you can get at the craft store, and we're using literally teaspoon-sized or tablespoon-sized quantities, because really, you can see how big our patch is. We really don't need a whole lot. So we're just going to take a little tiny bit of the mix, maybe just a little tiny bit more, and all we need is just a very small amount of water, and we're just gonna mix this stuff up into a paste. And I've got way too much water already, I can see, so we're gonna have to use a little bit more. Obviously there will be some wastage with this, but you want to just mix it up into a thick paste, almost like toothpaste consistency, and then it's easy to work with. It's still a little sloppy. Why did I ever overdo it on the water? It doesn't take much. There we go. That's getting to what I want to work with here. Maybe even just a bit more. Stuff's expensive, so you don't want to really waste it either, but unfortunately it's sometimes necessary. I maybe added about a tablespoon of water there, and like I say, this stuff really doesn't take a whole lot. That should be enough to do the trick. There we go. It's nice thick paste, just what we want to work with. We're just gonna let that set up for about a minute. I'm going to zoom in here. Okay. Now just get yourself a trowel, and we just want to put onto the corner and just kind of roughly shape it there. This stuff will set up and stand on its own real fast. So there we go. It's probably more than we're going to need right there. So just simply going to start cutting that off. We just want to square that corner off. Once this little corner repair sets up a bit, then we'll just go at it with a rubbing brick and we'll smooth it off. But that'll be probably tomorrow evening that we'll smooth that off, because we want it set up a bit and be quite hard when we do that. There we go. Just concrete forming without forms. So just kind of work it in there. I'm trying to get the corner square here if we can. If you can't get it square, then overbuild it just a little tiny bit, and then you can take the excess off with the rub brick once it sets. Like I say, you've got about maybe 15 minutes to work with this stuff, so keep that trowel going. Get that into shape. Yeah, and what? You botched the whole deal there. Okay. Now that'll hold its form, and the final shaping we can actually do with the rub brick, so we'll square that off and whatnot. So just overbuild it just a little bit so that you've got a little bit to take down with the brick, and that ensures that you can get a nice square corner later. That's about all there is to it. Have a good evening.